Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily file annual report for LLC in Wyoming. So all you have to do is head over to wyomingagents.com, then just hover your mouse to resources and services, then click on how to file a annual report. So from here, just click on file their annual reports online link. Then from here, just scroll down, then click on Annual Report Filing. Then start by clicking on File or Print your annual report now. So from here, all you have to do is fill in your filing ID. This is how it should look like. This can be found via State Business Directory. Next is just confirm or update your LLC's info such as your name, address, and registered agent. Next is enter Wyoming asset value and pay the calculated fee and convenience fee. Lastly, submit filings should be processed immediately. Also a reminder, if you're filing online, you can e-sign on behalf of your LLC. If using a registered agent to file, they can sign instead of you. This keeps your name out of public records. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!